숨을 쉴 때마다 네 생각이 또 배인다. You smiled at me just once by accident, and I built a whole world inside that moment. You never knew my name the way I said it at 3 a.m. Alone, like a prayer you never answered. You gave me nothing but a glance, and I turned it into forever. That's the sickness, isn't it? Loving someone who never once looked back. My hands are empty, my phone has no messages from you, but my heart, my stupid bleeding heart, writes poems you will never read. 사랑한단 말도 못했잖아. 네 앞에 서면 나는 바보였잖아. In front of you I was just a fool. You laughed with someone else today. I smiled and looked away. That was my confession. The one you never hear. 그래도 좋아.
With this tool I'm about to show you, song creation just got easier and free. Hi there, and welcome to day 7 of our AI content creation class. I'm doing a 30-day challenge to teach you about different kinds of AI tools and how you can monetize them. So for today, I'm going to be teaching you how to create songs like the one you listened to. And truly, there are a whole lot of AI song generators out there, like Suno AI. There is Suno, there's Udio, there is Vidnos, and a lot of that. This is Vidnos. This is Vidnos. It's a song generator, and this is also Udio. Udio is also a song generator. It's a music generator, and some of these tools are actually on freemium, meaning you have to use it for a while and then you pay. Vidnos is free according to what they wrote here, and Suno AI is freemium, meaning you can use the free plan and you have to go for a paid plan if you want to own commercial rights to the song. Meaning that if you want to use these songs, maybe you want to use it for a YouTube video, you want to use it for anything that would require you commercializing it, would require you paying for it. You can't use the free plan and then expect to monetize it. It won't work that way. But this particular tool I'm going to be showing you today is owned by Google, and I'd say the same thing also applies here. But I just feel it's important to tell you about this. Sometimes you might be creating songs on TikTok, because I feel this might not have issues on TikTok or on Facebook. I am not 100% sure. You can create songs. You see this, just go to your browser and then search for geminigoogle.com, like what you can see here, and you would see these options. You can see this is a free account. That's why they're asking me to upgrade. It's a free account. You get these options: create image, create music, boost my day, help me learn and write anything. So I'm going to click on create music. At the time Google brought out RIRAH 3, it could only generate 30 seconds of audio, but now it can generate up to 2 minutes and more. You have different genres here you could pick from. If you want it in rap, if you want it in Latin, romance, cinematic, and all of that, you can create as many as you want, and it's free. So let's select cinematic, and let me say I need a theme song for an epic African movie. Let's write A in caps. For an epic African movie about war and victory. Let's use that. So it creates this. Additionally, if you want to get more ideas for your song, okay. I actually feel like the pro plan gives you the longer version. I think that's what is happening. To use the longer version, you have to be on the pro plan. Let's try this account. So this account is a pro account. Let's try the same thing. Let's search for Google Gemini. It would come in here. Let's just do Google Gemini this. So I can also see the same options. You can see create image, create music. As you can see, the options here are more than the options we had on this particular account. And you can see this create video. This create video is showing because it is a paid account. So let's go over to DeepSeek, and I'm going to tell DeepSeek to write a song track for me, or a song idea. So let me say, write a song about a 30 days AI content creation class. RIRAH Creates is having on her YouTube channel, where she is teaching how to create different type of AI content. Please don't mind my different type of AI content. Let me see. Tell people to watch, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. So I'm going to use this as a prompt idea, and afterwards I'm going to create the song. So in the meantime, if you have not subscribed to this channel, if you've not liked this video, ensure you do that. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with as many people as you can. Okay, let me tell you to add something else. Yes, add that the challenge is from April 1st to April 30th, 2026. And what genre should we use? Let's use, should we use R and B? Let's try R and B. So back to the one we were generating earlier on the free plan. This is the song, Kingdom 1.
I see the shield, I see the spear, I feel the drums, the victory is here, the battle's done, our kingdom's won, won.
I don't really like this song. I don't like this song though, but we need to, if you want to get a better output, you need to take your time to craft song lyrics, add all the necessary instructions that you should add, and then ask AI to generate that. So let's see what DeepSeek has given to us. Let me copy this. Let me go back to this account and say create a song on this. So DeepSeek went on to add the key, E minor, and the vibe, the tempo, and all of that. This is it. So let's wait and listen to this. In the meantime, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. Additionally, do you think we should try out one more track? Let's write out another. Let me see. Write a crazy love song on unrequited love. What genre should we use? Let's say Korean song. Okay, this is what I'll have to do. I'll have to come back here. I'm going to use Google Gemini so I can just select that K-pop track. You see what I'm about to do? So I'm going to say Korean song, heartbreak lyrics, teary and emotional. Try this out. Oh, choose thinking. Oh, thinking. We need to choose thinking for longer tracks. That's another nice one. Let's select K-pop. Then let me try out Pro. So how many minutes is this? Still waiting for this to play. By the way, you can check out other videos we've done from day 1 down till day 6 because this is day 7. And you can also check out my seller store. And I'm going to leave the link for that in the comment section.
April 1st, new moon, new content. RIRAH said, come on, let's reinvent. Woke up slow, poured some tea. Open YouTube, finally free. April 1st on the calendar line. 30 days to make content shine. Stay shine and shine, and she said, I ain't cheating, it's a tool. Day 1 changed every rule.
I actually love this song. So to download your song, all you have to click on is this download icon. You can download as video or download as MP3, however you choose. So you can use this to create content. Probably you're doing a song, you're into evergreen content like movie creation and the rest. You can go on the pro plan because I believe that on the pro plan you should be able to monetize. You should be able to own commercial rights to the songs you are generating. But you need to make more research on that though. I'll still make my own research. Or let's just search it here. Let's say, can I monetize or do I own the rights? Let's say, do I own the rights to Laria 3 songs? Let's search for that. Okay, usage rights and not traditional copyright ownership. This is it. So in your creativity, you can just explore this. Probably in this challenge, I might also add us creating a music video with AI. I'll also add that too. But this is how you can generate songs using AI, and you can monetize it however you want. As a theme song, you can, okay, there was something I do, there's something I did, and I cited that as a foundation for other things. I use it to create jingles. I use it to create jingles for ads. When I'm working on an ad, I create a jingle using this. And that's one way you can monetize this. It just came to my mind because I said I was going to tell you how you can monetize it. I created an ad for a client, and then he said he wanted songs, he wanted something Afrobeat like. So I used RIRAH 3 to generate a jingle for it. So that's one way you can monetize it. Jingle creation. And if you want to be extra like me, you could write to big companies out there, and then you create an advert for them, probably for big brands. I don't want to mention names, but big brands out there. Make your research. You use this to create songs for them. You create the visual for them, the ad for them, and then you submit it to them with the hope that you're going to earn from it. So let's just play this and see.
숨을 쉴 때마다 네 생각이 또 배인다. You smiled at me just once by accident, and I built a whole world inside that moment. You never knew my name the way I said it at 3 a.m. Alone, like a prayer you never answer. You gave me nothing but a glance, and I turned it into forever. That's the sickness, isn't it? Loving someone who never once looked back. My hands are empty, my phone has no messages from you. But my heart, my stupid bleeding heart, writes poems you will never read. 사랑한단 말도 못했잖아. 네 앞에 서면 나는 바보였잖아. In front of you, I was just a fool. You laughed with someone else today.
Oh my god. Oh my god, do you know what I'm just imagining? I just want to start a Korean. I want to start a Korean love series, and I want to use this as a theme song. So many ideas in my head. Like this video, share this video, check out my Silla store, get something from there, because those PDFs, trust me, they are top notch and you need it. I'm going to see you in day 8. Bye bye.